I'm Radona from Boys and Girls Hairstyles. Today I have Brenda with me. It is super fun. She and her two sisters found me on my website, and they've been coming for, oh gosh, a long time now. Like, well,
yeah.
Has it been over a year?
Yeah.
It's been over a year.
Yeah, over a year. Anyway, so it's super fun.
Almost close to 2, isn't it?
Yeah, see, I bet it is close to 2. So anyway, super fun. Brenda, I'm going to show you how I color her hair, and then her cut next. And then Darlene, we're going to cut hers today. And anyway, we're super excited. So I'm going to show you, I have sectioned this back off. We like to do this with a 5 double N. And talk about laugh, you guys. When these gals come down, oh man, we have a good old time. So they're darling. They are super fun. It's fun to get to know them. And what's crazy is they have a nephew that actually lives here in Nephi where I live. And anyway, it's a small world.
Yeah.
So crazy. Okay, so you can tell I'm just going around the outside of this. It's a 5 double N. I use 20 volume. 20 volume will cover gray or natural highlighting, right, Brenda?
Yeah.
And then I just take sections here. So you can tell I'm just going down here through the middle and then come over on the sides. Yeah, it's cute. They just take the day to go and get their hair done. They come get their hair done and then they go to lunch and hang out. They have 3 other sisters, right? Is it 3?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I thought. 6 total.
One
Yep.
boy.
And 1 boy in their family. So it's cute. They keep saying we need to bring the other sisters.
I know.
Love it, love it. Okay, so after I do that, then what I do is I just take a foil and I place it on the top there. Okay, then I'm just gonna take my gloves off and I'll show you guys. Oops, sorry, Brenda.
Oh, you're fine.
She likes the blonde up through the top, but what we do is we add some of the 5N to give it some dimension here, especially the way she likes to wear her hair. So anyway, I'm gonna show you what I do. I take a little section back here, about a medium weave. It's not chunky and it's not fine. And put this hair down. So you can see those little dark, where it's a little darker. That's where I go with this. You can see that's light, so I don't go down on that, just the darker pieces. Okay, then I like to lift my foil up. I like to push down and pull, or push up while I push down, and that makes it tight, foil tight. And I don't know how you guys do it, but I like to go from the middle and side to side and then just kind of go around. That way I can picture where I put the color. Okay, so you can see where that darker is right through there. And then I bring that over, push this. Then I'm going to push up while I push down with these fingers, and that just tightens it. And some people don't do that, and that's totally fine. Just going to wipe my fingers off, color my fingers a little. And what I'm doing is using the Goldwell bleach, but only with a 20 volume. You can see I push the foil over my comb. Okay, now I take the next section. And depending on how blonde they want to go, with Brenda, I'm doing 2 blonde and then 1 brown. And like I say, I go side to side and around the head. That way I feel like it looks even and looks nice when we dry it. Okay, now another section here. Yeah, these girls drive about an hour. Well, the 2 sisters live up further. And then they meet, right? Do they come to you and then
Yeah,
you come down, right?
Yeah, they come to my house.
Yep, they go to Brenda's house and then they drive down, which is super cute. I love it. And like, it's fun because then you make time to be together, right?
Yeah.
Especially,
Yeah.
I don't know, it's fun.
Yeah. It is.
And Brenda's haircut's fun. She does asymmetrical, and so that'll be fun when I show you that haircut. It's easy, right? Brenda, isn't it easy?
For me.
She's like, well. Now Darlene's cut, her cut will be extra easy. So if you want extra easy hair, you can watch for her video. Okay, so that was the row of 2 blondes, and now I like to do the brown just a tiny bit, little bit more fine, just so it blends well. And then this dark, I'm just covering all of it. Okay. Okay, this side. It's so funny where I work now. I knew there was a lot of traffic in my town. I just didn't realize like how many big trucks went by. So I'll be working. So if you can hear that in the background, that's what it is.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And if some of you are just starting out weaving, weaving on short hair like this, you're probably getting frustrated. Just know it comes. It's okay. Just keep going with it.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes it's hard when you're learning to learn on obviously super long hair, but super short. So just keep it up. It'll come. It'll get easier. It's a little bit of blonde in that, so I just took that away. Okay, here we go. Okay, so we did just do the brown. Now I'm going to come into the blonde again, and I am going to do 2 blonde, same thing around, and then I'll just come up the sides. That way you guys don't have to sit and watch me do all of it. But so anyway, 2 blonde, 1 dark, 2 blonde, 1 dark. And then next video, we will show you her cute asymmetrical cut. So thank you guys so much. Brenda, say see ya.
See ya.
Bye guys.